Hello, Barry. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with actually three stocks to talk about. And the first one is going to be CSIQ. Now, CSIQ was the trade of the week. It came out yesterday. That's a free service that we have every Monday morning before the market opens. You'll get the trade of the week. Last week's, of course, was Arch, which was sensational, just to jog your memory. Arch, the trigger was at 118 and it is 156 now. I mean, it got as high as 164, but the trigger was at 118. This was a week ago Monday. And CSIQ is this week's, and the trigger was, I think it was 3114, and now you couldn't have got it right at 3114, but again, don't get so hung up on the pennies, okay? Because these are all designed, well, in fact, you could have waited and it to the pullback, and now look what it's doing, 36.22. I mean, these are great moves, you know, for the trades of the week. So those are two great ones in a row. Got to talk about a couple from the AI though. BRN. You can see right there, we had a short alert for BRN at 534 and 534. So if I click on that alert, that is what we're going to see. See that down arrow? I mean, look what it did, guys. 534 all the way down to 359 before it finally pulled up. I mean, that is a tremendous percentage increase, percentage gain. Okay, not an increase, a decrease for a percentage gain, of course, if you're shorting. And then the other one was, I always have to say in the trading room, you have to trade these. You can't just assume that they're going to keep moving higher and higher or even lower and lower. So this is a great example. ISUN, there was the alert at 603. I mean, look what it did. Before it pulled back, it got up to 724. Little pullback, and then it got up to 737 and finally way up to 742 before it finally really collapsed. But I mean, you've got to trade them. I mean, 603 all the way up to 742. I mean, that's like the BRN in terms of a percentage increase. So two excellent ones from the AI today, and also the trade of the week is performing incredibly well. So when I get back into our trading room, again, there's much more happening, of course, with all the energy plays, the oil plays, the solar plays, uranium. There's so many sectors that are just firing left and right. So if you're not in our trading room, why aren't you? You know, it's free, and the email you're getting shows you how you can get in. All right, everybody, again, I want to get back into it. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.